Want to remove or change your role in a WhatsApp group? Maybe update your tag or clear it completely? In this video, I'll walk you through how to do it. Nice and easy, start by opening the WhatsApp app on your phone. Once you're in, open the group chat where your member tag is set. This is the group where you want to make the change. Now tap on the group name at the top of the screen. This will open the group info page where you can see all participants and settings. Scroll down through the member list and find your name. Take your time here, especially if the group has a lot of people. Once you find your name, tap on it. A small menu will appear with a few options related to your profile in that group. From here, tap on Edit Member Tag, and now you'll be able to change or remove your role. If you just want to update it, simply delete the current text and type a new role that fits better. But if you want to remove it completely, tap on the Delete icon at the top of the screen. You'll see a confirmation pop up. Just confirm your choice. After that, the group will refresh, and your tag will either be updated or completely removed from your name. A quick way to manage how your role appears in any WhatsApp group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.